I'm so excited to show you this. I have not opened it yet. This is the new foil transfer kit. This is amazing.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
It does not use heat. It comes with fine, medium, and bold all in one box, and it's an amazing price. That's the best thing. There's no cords. There's no waiting for it to heat up. It's amazing. And it has more foil. Look at the colors. Well, we'll open these. It also has 12 by 12. Look, you can see the camera. Gold and silver. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's open this up. Okay. So here's the foil. What does it come with? Let's open these. Has silver and gold. Oh, and each package comes with the tape that you need. So it also comes with tape. So this looks like it's the tape. I haven't tried this yet. Let's get started. And then it has directions. And you want to know the best thing about this? It works on the Explorer or the Maker, both of them. If you only have the Explorer, you can use this on your Explorer. There is a link in the description when it's available. If this video is up before it's available, there might not be a link, but as soon as it is available, I will put a link in the description. This is so easy to use. I'm so excited. You do have to use the Cricut foil to work with this. Other brands of foil will not work, but you can use the Cricut foil with other foiling tools. So let's open this. Whoops. Oh, okay, you can see which one is which. Oh, and to see which one it is, it has lines. So one has one line, one has two lines, and one has 3 lines. So let's put them in order. So this one has one little stripe on it. See how this one has 3 stripes? This one has 2. These will also stick magnetically into your machine, into the storage area on your machine where those magnets are. You can stick these right in there so you never lose it. So you just drop it in and then push this up to get it out. They can also store inside your Cricut storage box. This will fit up here. These you can fit inside here. They will fit right in there and they won't fall out. Isn't that awesome? Let's see what you get in here. Let's look at the colors. So you get tape for these. Bring it all out. You have green, purple, and teal. Or it's a blue. I don't know if it's actual teal, but it's beautiful. I can't wait. And I love that it has 12 by 12. Okay, guys, tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you're gonna make with this? Christmas cards? They're gonna be beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this with Design Space and with the machine. Remember, you can use your Explorer machine even. Bye, guys.